Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of the LeetCode page. In this video, I'm going to solve LeetCode problem number 2000. In this problem, we have to find the reverse prefix of the word. So basically, we are given a string word and a character ch, and our task is to find the first occurrence of the ch in the string and the reverse the prefix of the string from the zero, and the remaining part of the string should stay unchanged. If the character ch is not present, then in the string we simply return the original string without making any changes. For example, we have given a word equals to abcd f and b and ch equals to b. So first of all we move to the b first, and from the b we have to reverse all the characters from the b. So this is very simple and reasonable problem. Let's move to the code. First of all, we create an integer index equals to word dot find ch, and we use this condition. If index equals to string is not in pairs, then return word. And reverse word dot begin from word dot begin plus index plus 1, and then at the end we return word. Okay, so let's check this code. You can see here all the test cases are passed successfully. So basically this is very easy level and simple level problem. Thank you.